Hey yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ted back with another tech video, and yeah, you heard it right, like your boy's back in town guys. And by the way, first up, I want to apologize for not uploading any videos yet after the first video in this channel, as I promised you guys that I would do like multiple videos per week. But life's been pretty crazy lately guys, like that's the main reason if someone was to ask me why didn't you upload any YouTube videos yet, and that's exactly the reason. But don't worry guys, cause I'll be uploading at least one video per week now, because I have a proper environment to record videos. And by the way, my goal is to upload at least like one video per day, and I know like it's a lot of work when compared to a week's workload, but I'm still gonna do it. Like I'm gonna send it guys, I'm gonna go all in this time, like nothing can stop me literally. With that being said guys, can this video get 100 likes like our previous video did? And if you can do that guys, like I really want to say thank you a lot. And guys, by the way, I also want to clear this up as well. Like I want to say thank you to each and every single one of you that helped support this channel, because guys, like at the time that I abandoned my YouTube channel, there was like 750 subscribers. Yeah, that was around 750 subscribers, and I still have around 624 subscribers, meaning it's actually a good subscriber retention. And I want to say this to you guys, like I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Like not gonna lie guys, that's pretty much what I feel right now, because you guys have been amazing. And guys, if you're new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you guys won't miss any of my upcoming videos in the future. And with that being said, without making this video much more emotional, let's get straight into the video. So guys, in this video I'll be excited showing you guys how to get a custom URL here on the YouTube platform itself, so that you, and more especially your audience, find it easy to find your channel here on the YouTube platform. So guys, firstly you need to make sure that you are eligible for a custom URL here on the YouTube platform itself. So according to YouTube, basically according to Google, who is like the parent company of YouTube, is saying you have to have at least 100 or more subscribers, and your channel has to be at least 30 days old, and you should have an uploaded photo as a channel icon, meaning that you need to have a profile picture, and also you need to have a channel art uploaded onto your channel. So if you're pretty sure you made all the criteria as they asked you to have, then you're pretty much good to go. So guys, all you need is real simple. Just make sure to head on to youtube.com, and first up, if you have not opened your browser yet, make sure to open that up, and then head on to youtube.com, and then go to your profile picture, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and I'll click on that, and then go to where it says YouTube Studio, which is the third option from the top. And once you are on the YouTube Studio, when everything's loaded, go to settings, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen, and once you click on that, you will get this new whitish dialog box, and then go to channel, which is the second option, and then go to advanced settings, which is the second option on the menu, and scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on manage YouTube account, and then you will be redirected to a pretty complicated page, I would say. But don't worry, all you need to do is click on advanced settings, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen, and once you click on that, you will be redirected to the next page where it says set up YouTube exactly how you want it, and then you will be able to see the third option saying custom URL. So if you are eligible right now, it will say you are eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. But if you have not met the criteria yet, it will say you something like this channel is not currently eligible for a custom URL. So as I said before, first up, make sure you are meeting that criteria, and once you make sure that you have everything that you need to get a custom URL here on YouTube, and when it says you are eligible for a custom URL, claim it here, all you need is just click on that, and then you will get a new dialog box slash a pop-up menu saying get a custom URL. So you will actually get two options in here, and the first one's gonna be basically your channel's name itself. So in my case, my channel's name is Ionian Tech, and that's exactly why the first option is named as Ionian Tech, and the second option is also Ionian Tech, but you can add a few characters at the end to make it more visually appealing, as well as to make it more unique to yourself. So in my case, I would like to stick with the first option, so I would click on Ionian Tech, and make sure you have read and agreed to the custom URL terms of use, and obviously no one does that, but make sure to read that as well, because you never know what's in the terms of use, because YouTube somehow can have like they can have something in their terms of service saying that they will steal your information, account information, so you do not know that exactly. So make sure to go check their terms of use as well, even though they are a real big company. So I've actually read the terms of use, so I'm gonna click on the tick button which says I have read and agreed the custom URL terms of use, and all you need is real simple. Next, just click on change URL and it will ask for confirmation. It will ask you something like, are you sure you want to change your public URL to this URL that you currently made? And also it says once you confirm this custom URL, you can't change this again or transfer the URL to someone else. So just be careful, just make sure, just be precise when choosing your own custom URL. And when everything's done, just click on confirm choice and it will say working, and then within a few seconds you will be redirected to your channel homepage, and hopefully everything will work fine if you follow my previous steps that I mentioned in this video. And just to make sure everything is working fine, just open a new tab on your browser and type youtube.com/ your channel username that you did make like a few seconds ago. So in my case I have Ionian Tech, and that's exactly what I'm going to type. And yeah, I should be redirected to my new custom URL homepage, which is, as you guys can see, it is www.youtube.com/ioniantech. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video helped you guys, make sure to smash that thumbs up button because it absolutely helps support the channel. And by the way guys, I want to do a quick announcement to you guys, and that's I also have a gaming channel which I started a few months ago, but I'm now pretty active on that channel as well. So make sure to go check that out as well and show some love by subscribing to the channel and then turn on notifications, and also watch some videos and like them as well. And guys, I have a surprise for you guys, not gonna lie. And that's pretty much, as you guys asked me to do free shoutouts on this channel like an year ago, that's exactly what I'm gonna do as a surprise for you guys. So all you need is real simple, guys. In order to get a free shout out on this channel, just make sure you are a subscriber of the channel. So make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you guys won't miss any of my upcoming videos in this channel in the future. And of course you need to like this video as well, and then go to the comment section down below and let me know your name so that I can hopefully find you in the comments down below as a comment shout out winner. And remember, you have to be one of the first 3 people to comment down below in this video to get a free shout out on the next video. So guys, hurry up, do that right now if you are watching this video as soon as it drops out. And guys, by the way, if you love to watch more videos like this, click up here. I'll catch you guys in my next one, and peace out.